Internet on board. It is possible to connect CrewFellow with the Internet in various ways. Board Wi-Fi. With board Wi-Fi, CrewFellow ensures that your crew and guests can also access the Internet effortlessly. CrewFellow operates as a Wi-Fi router where they can log in their devices. To configure board Wi-Fi, go to the menu button in the status bar. Then click on Internet. On the chart table, an overview of the available Internet connections appear. The network name, SSID, appears under the heading Board Wi-Fi. This name appears on the available networks list on the devices that you intend to connect to the board Wi-Fi. The standard SSID and corresponding password can be found on the sticker under the Wi-Fi antenna, and it is unique to each CrewFellow. You can also modify the network name and password in this window. Have you already modified it, or are you going to modify it? Then it's important that you share your new network name and password with your crew and guests. Wi-Fi Connect. Most ports have an available Wi-Fi connection. With the Internet function, you can also connect to the port Wi-Fi. On the chart table, you will see all the available networks under the heading Wi-Fi Connect. Click on the port network and fill in the corresponding password. As soon as the connection is made, everybody who is connected to the board Wi-Fi can immediately connect to the port Wi-Fi, thanks to CrewFellow. A telephone as a hotspot. In the same way, you can also set up a connection with your telephone. Activate the personal hotspot on your telephone and select your telephone among the available networks. As soon as the Internet connection has been made, your crew and guests can go online thanks to your hotspot and CrewFellow. 4G Connect. On inland waters and along the coast, you can set up an Internet connection in a jiffy with the CrewFellow eSIM, only in base station 256 and prepared in base station 128. With the Internet function, you can see whether CrewFellow detects 4G. If 4G is available, then you can activate it with one press of the 4G connection button. MiFi Connect. Would you like to use CrewFellow with your own provider's SIM? If so, use a certified CrewFellow 4G LTE dongle. Place the dongle in the USB port. Subsequently, the option MiFi Connect appears in the Internet window so that you can connect via your own 4G connection. Iridium Connect. On open water, you switch over to satellite communication for an Internet connection, for example, via Iridium. The way you connect to CrewFellow depends on the device you are using. In most cases, your satellite device appears between the available networks under the heading Wi-Fi Connect in the Internet window. Updates. CrewFellow updates. The CrewFellow developers are constantly working on new functionalities. Necessary adaptations are also continuously implemented to keep the system up to date, among other things. Therefore, check for system updates regularly. For system updates, go to the menu button in the status bar and click on Update. CrewFellow checks whether any updates are available. If yes, you can choose whether you'd like to execute the update immediately, or you may decide to delay it. Application updates. In addition to system updates, updates for the applications themselves are also available. For example, because new functionalities or improvements have been added. For application updates, go to the menu button in the status bar and click on Applications. On the chart table, a group with pictograms appears. A green arrow can be seen next to Applications, where updates are available.
Show me light, show me all there is to see.
Data updates. CrewFellow collects new data in the background. For example, think about updating the navigation data which you'll need on your journey, as well as the location of buoys or current weather information. In this way, you'll always travel with up-to-date information.